Wow, you started up. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining me. Test 1 is about interference. Do you hear any interference at all? Check 1, check 2. One is just riding and I feel a gentle breeze. How do I sound? 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, why did I say interference at the beginning? I'll tell you why. And it was my very first clip with what I'm shooting with. And I hear no sound audible when shutting down the DJI Action 3. When starting up, I hear the beep of start recording, and when I use the mode on to turn on and off, I hear half of the audible, or none of the audible, start up and shut down. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're shooting with the DJI Action 3. And we're shooting with two different types of mics. And yes, indeed, we're going to listen to the differences of both mics. And the wind is hitting me as I'm riding. And check 1, check 2. The only difference you're going to hear is a choice you're going to be making. And I'm not going to tell you which one is which in this video, but I will tell you the one mic works perfectly fine with the DJI Action 3, while the other one messes up with the audible sounds of stop recording that you no longer hear the beeps with that camera. Check 1, check 2. Can I hear myself? 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining. Show a like, show a share. Show. I got that right again. Man, I like that. There's a bell for notification, there's a subscribe, and there's a like. Now, we're shooting with the DJI Action 3. And I can only show you with one mic, and that's what I'm using right now. So what we're going to do is not switch over, but yeah, we'll switch over to a different camera and shoot with two other mics. So let's get started, just having some fun. And we're going to continue this review onto that camera. All right. We're going to now switch over to a different camera, a Sony ZV-1 Mark II, and maybe we'll get the Sony ZV-1F in there as well. It is fair to say those two cameras are identical in every way to do this review. Roll 'em!